Hello.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I am doing good, thank you. How are you?
So well, thanks.
So your name is Aisha, then
Correct. Yes. Yes.
full name?
Aisha Habib.
Okay, so you are Muslim, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So my name is Muhammad Ramzan,
Mhm.
and yes, nice to meet you.
Mhm. Okay, Mohammed. And I see you have 10 minutes today.
Yes.
Yeah. Is this your first class or you're a student of Cambly?
Yes, I am practicing on Cambly from last 1 week.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay. We say, be careful the pronunciation of what week. Okay.
1 week.
Huh. It's
Week.
not week, but
Week.
week. Yes, there we go. You got it.
1 week. Yes.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so what I'm interested, you are from UK?
South Africa.
South Africa. So basically, what I want is like you should ask me rapid fire questions, and I will be giving you the answer quickly. And in
Okay.
that way, I will have more advanced practice.
Okay. So let's think. Where are you from?
I
So
am
basic.
from India, Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay. And do you like to be in the mountains or somewhere else?
I keep myself alone and live near to the mountains and near to the city, intermediate.
Okay. So you say I live alone. You wouldn't say keep myself alone.
So, okay,
I
okay.
live alone. Yeah.
I live alone.
Yes. Okay. Have you ever been on a cruise?
Have you ever?
Been on a cruise?
Last word, what you told?
A cruise is like a big boat. A cruise. A very big boat, like a holiday on a boat, is a
No.
cruise.
A holiday on a boat. Okay, so yes, I had the experience of for one time. I did
Okay.
this. Yes,
Where did you go?
I went to Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Okay, careful. So I went.
I went.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And is that in what country? What country is that?
Actually, I am living in India and I never visited any of the country outside of India.
Okay. So a boat trip in India to a different part of India.
That is a state.
Hmm. Okay,
Yes.
okay. And why did you choose this holiday?
Basically, I had my parents with me,
Mhm.
and they planned to go to somewhere, and I thought that there is a good place over there. There is a beautiful lake, and we have the opportunity uh, to ride on the boat.
Mhm.
So that's why we visited there.
Okay. And can you swim then?
Sorry?
Can you swim?
No.
No. Okay. So
Sorry.
you just wanted to look at the lake.
Yes, basically there are some safety measures.
Mhm.
They gives us some type of jacket that we wear, and then after we have the chances that if we fall in the lake, then there is the possibility that we save ourselves.
Good. I'm glad.
Yes.
Okay, next question. Hmm. So what do you like best about India?
India.
Yeah.
Mm, yes, the culture, living with the parents, just like I thought that, I heard about the USA, UK, and there are other countries where people are not living with their parents when they become older. So, yeah, that is too bad for me, being an Islamic person. because at that moment they have needed our help and we have to serve them. Yes.
Okay. Where would you like to visit in the future?
First of all, I like to visit to USA and then after the European countries. Yes.
Why is
Yes, actually, in most of the cases, people have the dream to visit to the USA because that is too costly. And if we are going there, we have the Silicon Valley, and my profession is as a software developer. And there is a hub of the people, software developers in the Silicon Valley. So that's why I'm interested to visit there first. So yes, I also like to work with those people.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Can
Yes.
you actually go into the buildings in Silicon Valley? How does it work there?
Basically, I am interested to go there and do some work with the people who are already in the big companies.
Okay, nice. So you want to get a job there, not just visit?
Yes, yes. Actually, I have my own startup right now, and if I am visiting there, then definitely I would have some type of collaboration with them. So this is the way. Yeah.
And why did you study IT?
Why I study IT? I am a computer science engineer, so basically I chose this stream because this is more about the practical things. And in our schooling, in our education system, there was all about cramming. I mean, just go through the stuff and pass the papers, exams, and all. So I was frustrated until I reached to my 12th standard, and then after I chose my career as the computer science, because in that I thought that I have more things to do practically. So that's why I continued with that.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I heard that India is very cram style teaching. So that's quite sad.
Yes.
I also heard though that some schools in India are very, very advanced. They have some amazing schools. Have you heard about this?
Yes. You mean Islamic or the other?
No, other like they're starting to do more practical schooling. So example, where children will not just read books, learn and say. They have like incorporated gardening and some kind of work and playing of games to learn, not just
Yes,
text.
yes. We have those. Those are actually known as Christ schools. So over there, they are making the things more interesting for the students. Yes,
What are they called?
making the things more simpler and interesting for the students.
I mean, what is the name of the school? You said.
Christ.
Okay, so they are Christian schools?
Yes,
Okay.
mostly.
Okay.
So you are only the Cambly teacher, or you have any other profession as well?
So normally I would work in a school, but because of the whole situation, I'm working online.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, let's think. Do you want to study more in the future?
Actually, I do the study on demand. For example, I am working on any specific idea, and to implement that idea, I have needed a specific technology to learn. So I immediately go through the tutorials and try to gain some practical knowledge and implement all those stuff, and then I move ahead with that specific idea which I am interested to implement. Yes.
Next question. Why is your chair got plastic on it? It looks like a nice chair to sit on.
Why? Sorry.
Why does your chair have plastic on it? It looks like a comfortable chair without plastic.
No, this is actually yes. This is new chair which I bought a few days before, so I forgot to remove this plastic.
Okay. So you're not worried about it getting dirty. You're not going to leave it forever in plastic.
I'm not able to understand your question.
So you're not going to leave it in plastic forever, right? You will
Yes,
take the plastic off.
today I will turn away.
Okay, Mohammed. See you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.